Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're grilling up some amazing Carne Asada Tacos on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. So the first thing that we need to do is put together the marinade, and I like to do this at least 24 hours, preferably 48 before it's time to cook. And I have a great Carne Asada marinade that I know you're gonna like, and here's how we put it together. To make the Carne Asada marinade, we want to start by adding 1 yellow onion, roughly chopped, to the mixer. Next, we're going to add 1 garlic head, and then we're going to add 1 cup of Guajillo Paste. Next, we want to add half a cup of orange juice and a 1/4 cup of Achiote Paste. And then we want to add a 1/4 cup of white vinegar and a 1/4 cup of Adobo Sauce as well. We want to season it with 1 teaspoon each of oregano, allspice, cumin, and nutmeg. You also want to add 2 bay leaves. Now we're going to blend this until smooth, and you also want to add about a cup of extra virgin olive oil while blending until the oil emulsifies. We have some beautiful flank steaks here. We want to trim off some of the extra fat and some of the silver skin and smooth out the edges. Then we want to place the steak in an aluminum pan and pour the marinade on top. And then we'll want to let this sit at least overnight. So the Carne Asada has now been marinated for about 36 hours, so it's time to light up the Memphis grill and get it ready for grilling. So here's what we need to do. We're gonna set the Memphis grill to 625 degrees, and we use mesquite or oak pellets. Once the grates are smoking hot, we're gonna add the flank steak and grill them until they're charred on the outside and medium rare, about 130 degrees on the inside. This will take about 3 minutes per side. We want to remove the steaks off the grill and leave them to rest for 5 minutes. While the steaks are resting, we're gonna halve 3 avocados and remove the pit. And then we're gonna grill the avocados flesh side down for a couple of minutes until nicely charred. We also want to grill the tortillas for about a minute and then keep them warm. The Carne Asada is resting, the avocados has been grilled, so now it's time to put together the Carne Asada tacos, and here's how we do that. When the grilled avocado is cool enough to handle, you want to cut it into small chunks, and now we're also going to slice the steak against the grain into thin slices. We're going to start with adding a few Baby Arugula leaves on the tortilla. Then we're going to add the grilled avocado chunks and top with a few slices of our beautiful steaks. Then we want to spoon over some roasted salsa and finish with a couple of cilantro leaves. Last but not least, we're going to drizzle with a lime cilantro crema, and then these beautiful and flavorful Carne Asada tacos are ready to serve. And that is how I make my Carne Asada tacos on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Woodfire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Let's cut a lime together here, squeeze a little bit of lime on top. There we go. And the key to eating a good tacos is tilt the head, not the taco. So here we go. So flavorful, so good. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.